Best ever mushrooms tikka recipe. In only 1 tablespoon of oil. Please try this once, and I am sure you would love this. Please feel free to subscribe my channel for new recipes. Subtitles available in multiple languages. Take a half cup thick yogurt curd. 2 tablespoon ground flour. 1 tsp corn flour. A quarter tsp turmeric powder. A half tsp black pepper powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp red chilli powder. A half tsp chaat masala powder. 1 tsp cumin powder. A half tsp garam masala. 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil or any oil. Mix well. 1 tsp kashmiri red chili powder optional. 1 tsp crushed kasoori methi. 200 grams mushrooms. 1 med dices onion. 2/3 diced bell peppers capsicum. 1 diced tomatoes. Salt to taste. Keep it aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, put one by one in skewer. Put on the stand. In preheated air fryer. Set for 10 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. This will be ready in 10 to 12 minutes. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.